Hi, in this video, we're going to focus on Snap and Read Universal Chrome Edition's text leveling feature. Once you have downloaded the Snap and Read Universal Chrome application from the Chrome Web Store, you can start utilizing the Snap and Read Universal Chrome application. And on your device, you will see this crosshair once you've downloaded the application. To use your text leveling feature, the user will see on their toolbar, which will appear once they click on the icon, the text leveling icon. Here, the user would select a passage and then click on the text leveling feature. Text leveling assists students and users to identify words that may be difficult for them to decipher. And what it does is changes those difficult words into words that are much easier to understand. Now, you can, as the user, decide how many words that the program will pick up, or the level of difficulty of words the program picks up. However, the computer program or the application will determine which words it deems as difficult. So that's one con that I would say exists with this feature. Now, if you go to the icon and right click, you'll see options. Once you select options, you'll see a text complexity toggle. Now, closer to the one dot that's on the screen here in this section, the program will pick up more words that it believes that the user would find difficulty. As you move the toggle closer to the three dots, less words will be identified by the application as difficult. So I'm going to leave it somewhere in the middle here. And what we'll do is go to a website. And we will select the passage that we would like to use the text leveling for. And then click on the text leveling icon. And Snap and Read has changed some of the words. So how do you know which words have been changed? As you scroll over the text, you will see the mouse has a question mark, or any text that is italicized. That's what the program has converted or leveled, the text that the program has leveled. From there, you can see that it changed photosynthesis to making food from light. Okay, and then let's see what else did it change. It's an advertisement. And so there's no, it's highlighted, that word is highlighted, those words are highlighted, but there's no question mark beside it, so that means it did not change anything there. And let's see, within this description here, we can see it changed the word genetics to the study of tiny chemical assembly instructions inside of living things. And so the user, as they're going through their passages, they can actually have the program read the new leveled text. So let's give that a try. Start here.
Plants. Making food from light is the word used to describe how plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to make their own food. Scientists who conduct.
Okay, so let's see if we move the toggle down on the text leveling feature, will it present more words for the user? Okay, so I'm going to select the passage again, text leveling. Okay, and it appears that the program Snap and Read has also picked up genes in this initial, in this first paragraph, which was not denoted initially. So again, you have the question mark, the italicized words, and that's how you know that your text has been leveled, if it's italicized, and if you move the cursor on top of that and you have a question mark. You can see here, you get a little box that tells you that the original word was jeans, and in parentheses, we have the definition or the new word group for the word jeans. Again, photosynthesis is still highlighted. It's great. And so now we also have genes again selected. And we also have genetics is still highlighted. And now we have the word normal is also highlighted. And you're provided with additional definitions and words. So it just depends on how the user sets the text complexity, how many word choices you get, or how many text leveling choices you get. Again, the program does decide for the user which words to select, so that can be a con because there may be more than one word or more than the one or two words that the program has selected within the paragraph that the student needs defined. So that's going to conclude our video on text leveling in Snap and Read Universal Chrome version. Thanks for joining me.